Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create multiple products pages in Shopify the right way. Whether you are just starting your store or adding new items to your collection, this is going to save you time and keep your site looking clean and professional. First things first, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left hand side, click on Products tab. Here, you will see a list of all the products you have added before, or it might be empty if you are just starting. Now, let's add our first product. Click Add Product in the top right. You will be uh, taken to a product editing page. Here's what you need to fill out, like title, name of your product, description, tell people why they should buy it, media, upload product images or videos, category, which type of your product, then pricing, set your price and compare, add price if there's a discount, inventory, add SKU, quantity, and check track quantity if you need to manage stock, shipping, add weight if it's a physical product, variants if your product has sizes or colors, enable this section, search in engine listing preview, customize how it looks on Google. Once you are done, hit save in the upper right corner. That's one product page created. If you are adding multiple products with similar information, for example, different colors of the same t-shirt, instead of creating each one from scratch, just click the product, then hit duplicate. At the top, you can change the name, images, and variant details, then save it again. Super easy. So let's add a product. Let's title, enter a title like t-shirt, then write a description, then media, then price, weight, shipping, variants, colors, black, size, L, then click done and hit save from here or here. Now, if you have got a lot of products to add, like 20 plus more, this is where CSV import saves your life. Click import, Then download the sample CSV template, open it, Excel or Google Sheet, save it, fill out product details here in each row, save it as .csv and upload it again via import an upload file. Once your product pages are ready, it's time to keep things organized. Head over to collection tab from the left side and group related product together like men's jacket or summer sale. You can create manual collections or set up automated conditions based on tags or product types. After saving your products, click preview to see how it looks on your live store. Make sure your images load properly and the descriptions are clean readable like that. Also, don't forget to test it on mobile. And that's it. Multiple product pages created the smart way. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below and I will catch you in the next time. Thanks for watching.